So in this session, we'll be working on the third expression in our interaction, the third concept in our interaction, that is emitter current and input resistance. Emitter current and the input resistance. Emitter current and input resistance. Now, when I say this emitter current and input resistance topic, then it means I would like to identify what is the resistance which is being seen between the collector and emitter, or sorry, I can say that between base and emitter. The small signal resistance between the base and emitter, looking into the emitter, it can be defined as resistance at emitter Re. Resistance at emitter Re can be defined as the voltage what is seen between base and emitter, that is VBE, divided by an emitter current, divided by emitter current. Again, this is a simple Ohm's law. If you just see this equation, it's a resistance which is being defined as V by I, or V is equals to IR. So what resistance this is? So this Re is said to be as emitter, or consider this a resistance seen between base and emitter, seen between a base and emitter. Understanding? Then what is VBE? It's a AC potential between base and emitter. What is IE? It's a AC current flow through emitter terminal. AC current flow through an emitter terminal. Now I know some fundamentals equation. If I want to use that equation between IE and IC, my input current and output current, then how best I can write this equation? So I can write here saying that my IE is equals to IC divided by alpha. I can write my IE as IC divided by alpha. Now, how I can write my IC? How I can write my IC? If at all, if I want to take it from the previous equation, if I want to take it from the previous equation, how I can write my IC? I can write my IC, you remember it, it's a AC current, so IC is equals to IC divided by VT into VBE. This was the equation. So IC is equals to IC by VT into VBE. So it means now I can write here this IC as IE is equals to IC divided by alpha. This VT will come in denominator into VBE, into VBE. Okay. Now we'll throw a question at you. What is this term IC by alpha? What is this term IC by alpha? Okay. What is this term IC by alpha? This IC by alpha is nothing but IE. So I can write here. Good. Sorry. I was just reading a message which has been sent by Archana Singh, which is saying there should be a plus IC. Okay, no, I'll explain it. No problem. So this ratio, first let me complete this derivation. So this term, I can write over here saying that IE is equals to IC by alpha is nothing but IE. IC by alpha is nothing but IE divided by VT into VBE. VT into IE divided by VT into VBE. Now let me call this as expression number 1. That is nothing but equation for emitter resistance Re. Then if I substitute the value of this IE, let me call expression number 2. If I substitute this expression number 2 in expression number 1, okay, if I just substitute this into this expression, what is that I will be getting? Substituting the value of IE, okay, substituting 2 in 1, I'll be able to get an expression. Substituting 2 in 1, equation 2 in equation 1, I'll be able to get equation for Re is equals to, okay, now for your reference, I'll just keep the equation 1 over here, okay. So now I know that, what's my equation 1? Re is equals to Vb by IE, but what is my IE? IE by Vt into Vbe, right? So now, if I write this expression here, then this is VBE divided by whatever I am having here, IE by IT, okay, into VBE, Then what will be left out now? So VBE will get cancelled. VBE will get cancelled, giving out RE is equals to okay. So this IE divided by VT, this VT will come to numerator. So VT divided by IE, VT divided by IE. Okay. So let me call this as expression number 3. Now I'm going to use a relation. That is how best I can represent my IE. So I know that my RE, which is being at present defined as VT by IE. So this I can write it as VT divided by IC by alpha. So if I take alpha to the numerator, so what happens? Alpha times that of VT divided by IC. Okay, so I'm able to write this expression. If you want fundamentals, then I can simply say that I know my IE is IC by alpha, or IC is alpha times set of IE. Okay, now next what I'm going to do over here is this alpha as it is. What is this VT by IC? What is this VT by IC? Do answer in the group chat. What is this VT by IC? Yes. Yes, it is 1 divided by GM. So VT by IC can be defined as 1 by GM. So nothing but alpha by GM now. Understanding? It's nothing but alpha by GM. Okay, because I know that if you want again the fundamentals, GM is equals to, GM is been defined as IC divided by VT. So I'm taking the inverse ratio, VT by IC. So when I'm taking VT by IC, this becomes 1 by GM. So this becomes 1 by GM. So this is the equation for my RE. Now, what I can do over here is, if I want to define what is the equation for my GM, again just applying it in reverse order, okay, I'll be able to get an expression. Wherein this term I can write it as, I'm just substituting for GM now. Once again back, I'm just substituting for GM. So when I substitute for GM, I'll be able to get this expression as alpha divided by IC divided by VT. So this VT goes to numerator. So we'll be getting alpha into VT divided by IC. Okay, I'm just using this expression once again back. Alpha into VC divided by IC. Now you will be asking, sir, when I'm just deriving the equation from this term to this term, why again you're substituting back? So this form of equation, I'll be using it at some level. Okay, just to introduce you that I've brought this equation into this form, and now I'm taking this equation back to the origin. So alpha into VT divided by IC. Okay, so now I'll just take this ratio, and I can write this equation as Re is equals to, which is nothing but alpha into Vt divided by Ic. Okay, alpha into Vt divided by Ic. So this expression I can write this as alpha times that of r pi, alpha times that of r pi divided by beta, alpha times that of r pi divided by beta. So how I'm getting this expression? So this I'm getting it by substituting the value for IC, because I know that alpha as it is, alpha as it is. Okay, if I want to write an equation for Vt by Ic, how I can write this? Vt by Ic can be defined as alpha divided by beta by r pi. Okay, just give me a second.